Mieliśmy jeden, jedyny wolny dzień w tygodniu, kiedy mogliśmy wyjść i przetestować dla Was R50, porobić jakieś zdjęcia. To oczywiście leje.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until it
Czemu on tak przeskakuje?
no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares.
Bez sensu taka winda bez lustra.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Pogoda wymarzona na robienie zdjęć. Tak? Cięcie.
Mogłam powiedzieć, nie ma złej pogody, tylko odpowiednio długie L4.
Like the end's inside for me, but let's be real anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be real anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost.
Tam jest aparat schowany, żeby nie zamógł.
Ładnie jak szły.
Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a...
Ups.
Dead in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear.
Wracamy na deszcz.
Ja jestem takim po prostu bohaterem drugiego planu.
Pierwszego.
I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be real anxiety can foggy all this
To
stuff.
co, jakie wrażenia po użytkowaniu przez jeden dzień Canona R50?
Przede wszystkim kompaktowy, bardzo lekki, no i biały, no, czyli kobiecy powiedzmy.